Hey guys, I'm Adriana and I'm, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the truths about what it's really like to move out to LA to become an actor. So the first truth is that it's expensive. So just to prepare you guys, Los Angeles, if you didn't know, is one of the most expensive cities to live in the world. Now it doesn't mean that it's not doable, it's completely doable. However, you do need to be prepared about it. If you can save up money before you come out here, I highly recommend it because you're going to need that money not only to move out here, but also to find a place out here. Rent out here is one of the most expensive across the US, so you should be prepared. Which leads me to my second truth, which is you're probably going to need to get a day job. The good thing is that Los Angeles is the home of the entertainment industry, which means there are plenty of day jobs in the entertainment industry. You don't just have to be a server, though that's totally a viable option. Great day jobs would be working at Universal Studios, working as a tour guide on Hollywood Boulevard, working at a casting director or an agent. Like, there's so many options. Another truth is that you really should get out there, and if you have hobbies, great, like do those out here or find new hobbies. It's going to help you actually in a few different ways. Not only is it going to give you more experience in life in general, which is always helpful as far as being an actor, but then you can also get cast because of these hobbies. So if you like playing golf, great. Now when they need a golf player, oh, you can do that because you know that skill. So don't underestimate the power of skills because they're definitely sought after. There's so many shows casting and they're constantly looking for different types of skill sets. So the better that you can have yourself prepared to be able to do those, the better chances are that you're going to get to work more and do what you love. So the other truth is that you're going to need to take classes. The competition out here is very high because there are so many people out here pursuing acting, which is great. I totally believe that there's roles enough for everyone. However, you are going to be going up against other people who have probably been doing it longer than you have, or have been out here longer than you have. And so in order to really set yourself apart, you want to make sure that your acting game is top notch. So you're going to want to take classes. Now, the amazing thing about LA is that we have some of the best teachers out here. Why do we have the best teachers out here? Because we have teachers who are working on TV shows and films, and they're teaching. So definitely take classes out here. You're going to run into amazing teachers and you're going to learn a lot, and just continually practicing your craft is only going to better yourself as an actor and be more likely to help you get the roles that you want. The last truth that I'm going to talk about today about becoming an actor is that you need to give yourself time. A lot of people come out here giving themselves a year or two to be an actor, and they say, if I don't make it, I'm not going to continue, I'll just go back home. And I think that's a mistake because you really need to give yourself more time than especially a year or two to not only get situated within your own living situation, but it's going to take time for you to build your career. It's going to take time for you to even be able to get auditions for TV shows and films that you're probably looking for. So give yourself more time. You know, come out here thinking that you're going to be here for the long haul. That would be the best way to move out here. And don't rush, and know that you're going to have some shitty days, and know that the first year is going to be rough, but it gets better. So those are my truths and tips about what it's really like to move out here to LA to become an actor. If you like what you saw, hit the like button or subscribe for more videos like this.